court on this issue. This is not a public interest litigation. You are not before the court in a representative capacity. How do you project the interest of a Gao Panchayat which is not before the court?
If they have submitted copy, my lord, in respect of that, my lord, it means in my case also they have filed this one, my lord.
We are not
I
going
have
to
right
hold
to
elections
answer, my
here
lord.
now.
You are protected by the.
My lord, if they have given opinion to election commission that there is no need of filing this IA, my lord.
I have one more submission, my lord. We can look at it from two sides. Whether I am trying to protect the people who are not before your lords. Number one. Number two, whether the order passed in this batch of petitions before your lordship is going to be adversely affected by holding of at least that much of a reasonable opportunity. Only my submission, my lord.
Lordship, what is their
we
case?
will, Mr. Pathak and Mr. Chaudhary, please understand one thing. You can only address the court on the premises of your pleadings.
Correct.
Your pleadings are pleadings made on reflecting the grievances on behalf of the respective writ petitioners. So, whatever orders we pass or whatever arguments you make are on the basis of the grievances raised by those petitioners. Now, there are a set of
My instruction,
persons or committees or panchayats who are not before this court.
my instruction is, my lord, that what for exactly we wanted a copy and to address our affidavit.
We will.
No, I will
we
just
will-
make
we
it
will
clear.
hear you on this.
I will make it clear
Huh.
that how this particular order, if passed, is going to adversely affect the pending cases. That much we have to, at least that much of liberty should be given to us, my lord. Only my submission may be recorded at this stage, Mr. Pathak prays that he may be
We
supplied.
will
with a
add
copy.
one more that
Haven't will not fall on them.
any
My lord,
any election, we will say that the election in respect of these panchayats before the court
my
will
lord,
not be proceeded with until we decide the matter. There is already an interim order.
there is already, we are not going to do that, touch it.
That is not the question, my lord. Question is, my lord, another aspect, my lord. Once an election notification issued, only this petition of these areas will remain.
Yes.
Others will so naturally that will consequence will be there, my lord.
No.
We-
But
General election will be held in
We will
respect
revert
of all
back
others.
to your
my lord.
lordship.
we are asking you repeatedly one question. Please tell us, are you in a representative capacity?
Yes, I am in a representative capacity for the district of Kasar, Hailakandi and Morigaon.
Right.
These three districts.
Korimganj. I am
Apni
here.
Korimganj.
Mangalore, Dorong district also.
Dorong, he is for different districts. These three districts, what I am instructed by my learned instructing council, if election is notified today, how that notification is going to adversely affect the merits of the pending cases, that's what at least, that's what we wanted a copy and to revert back. Only that much of submission for all fairness may be recorded, that I wanted a copy and want to submit my objection to it. Till the, within the time stipulated by your lordship already.
My lord,
That much of all fairness of the proceedings,
Sir,
that may be recorded that we wanted a copy, and but that cannot be
You
given now.
wanted a copy of what?
Of the IA, they are moving now.
I have not
and-
opened also today. I have not
Only
relied upon
that
the
much
IA
of
also.
fairness, my lord. That
My
may be
IA was
recorded.
not opened also.
All right, we'll take it up again on Monday.
My
This
lord.
issue.
That clarification may be
meantime-
there, Lord.
No, that clarification will let us give them an opportunity.
Lordship, then my submission, I am not touching any of the IAs. Lordship, I will place the Supreme Court judgments on this. They in fact have no
No,
case
but
at all.
But they have not received copies.
Any
What
copy.
can be done about it?
I am withdrawing those. I am withdrawing those.
Then you'll have to file a vacating petition. You have already filed a vacating
Lordship,
petition.
the
Harder.
ball is very clear.
See, the problem
No,
is
Lordship.
that the problem is
No, Lordship, every day is crucial. Every day is
every
crucial for us.
But on the day when
No.
when we passed an order,
What-
we was
Now Lordship has already passed an order. That order is absolutely on all legal principle. It is correct order. When a petition, if it is a public interest litigation, this matter should have gone to court number 1.
yes, correctly. But problem is.
There is no
or
problem
what-
at all,
the
Lordship, in my
problem
humble
is that
submission.
you have filed a vacating petition,
I have filed a vacating.
and for whatever reason, they have raised an objection
Lordship,
that copies
in
are not served.
three, they have received the copies. It is not that they have not received the copies.
But then they're also entitled to be
Yes,
given an
Lordship.
opportunity.
They got it on 29th. And during the vacation, we tried our best to convince the registry to get it listed today. We are violating all constitutional norms.
You wait until Monday.
Lordship, that clarification,
What,
that
until Monday? What is your difficulty there? Today
our
is
difficulty
Friday.
is every day is very crucial. In fact, without that order
1 year has
also,
gone. 1
Today
year.
is Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
There was
Monday,
no
your
important-
lordship.
Lordship, my humble submission is very clear. It has fallen from Lordship's mouth also. They are
Want to, but then the objection.
the
is that we have not
objection,
received copies.
objection, whether that objection is tenable or not tenable.
No, whether if the copies are not served, then we have to give them
No,
a
Lord,
limited
I'll,
opportunity.
in fact, in those cases where the copies were served, in that case, Lordship may clarify.
But then,
I'll give that numbers. 3 cases we have served. They are the same councils.
so the same.
They are
thing,
the same councils.
whatever-
Lordship will kindly hear me for
whatever
a moment.
clarification you want,
No, Lordship, my
Whatever
humble submission, if
clarification
only the condition is that they have not received copies, and that is the sole ground of deferring this matter for that clarification till Monday, my submission is that the same councils in 3 cases, same petitions they have received.
no, we'll have it on Monday.
My
The
lord.
clarification.
In the course of the day, we may be served with a copy.
Whatever,
Yes.
only for the clarification, because technically it doesn't require a clarification. I'm sorry, the objection coming from the other side, I don't know why, but whatever it may be, that clarification we'll consider on Monday.
Man.
We'll take it up as a first item if you want.
Lordship.
My lord.
My lord, have we taken a position?
Writ petition. We'll see. We are listing the writ petitions on Monday.
Everything on Monday?
Only
And
that order
first
has
item,
to be
Lord.
now. Earlier, the hearing was fixed on 9th. So now that much will be changed to Monday. Everything will be.
Because
But
the
if
main
you
issue,
wanted some time to file your objection, will you be able to file
Without,
your objection?
it's a point of law and constitutional issue. Without that,
because in the main case, affidavit was filed, they have received everything.
we'll address our lordship.
And Monday as first item.
Not
As
given
first
till now, my lord.
As first.
If they are diverting our application copies to the advocate's clerk, it is their fault, not our fault.
All right, Monday.